Hello friends, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to introduce you what is JavaScript BOM. The full meaning of BOM is Browser Object Model. Here I'm talking about the browser window. BOM is related to browser window. It can be any browser, Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Apple Safari, otherwise Opera. Without these, there are many browsers. And I did not mention their name here. These are the most popular browsers. BOM is specially related to browser window, not the viewport area. It don't care what goes inside. And if you want to control inner part of your browser, then you should learn DOM. In JavaScript, if you want to do any browser-related programming, for that you need to use window object. And if you want to manipulate your browser, there are a lot of methods related window object. So let's see what can we do with window object. Using window object, we can get height and width of our browser. Using this object, we can open browser window and also we can close browser window. Also, we can resize and move our browser window. Here, we are not going to use our cursor to resize our browser. We have some inbuilt method of window objects. And using those methods, we can resize and place our window anywhere in our screen. Also, we can scroll our browser window without using our cursor. With that, using window object, we can get URL, hostname, protocol of our browser window. Also, we can get the history of browser window. History means here you can see backward and forward option. If you want to go backward, we can use window object. Also, if you want to go forward, also we can use window object. So, in our upcoming tutorials, we are going to learn all about it one by one. So don't miss the interesting videos. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.